college together. I feel so old saying this. And Caleb has been in town. Caleb is an amazing young man that I wanted all of my Chef Mommy YouTube channel followers to meet. So guys, as you can see, he plays the violin. How long have you been playing, Caleb?
I've been playing for about 13 years now.
Oh my goodness. So when did you get interested in like the whole music aspect of like making tracks and stuff like that?
I think it was sophomore year. I was just on YouTube. I came across this Kanye West video. And I saw him like playing on the drum pad. And I was like, that's what I want for Christmas.
Wow.
And then from then I just started making beats. So it's probably been about 3 years now.
Wow. And Caleb, I mentioned to you guys that Caleb goes to Oakwood University, and Caleb is starting his, what year?
Sophomore year.
Sophomore year next year. Caleb, I know this is probably not popular, but can you tell them how old you are when you began college?
I was 16.
And so right now you are?
17.
Caleb is 17 years old, getting ready to start his sophomore year of university. That is pretty doggone amazing, right?
Yeah, it's like, because I skipped 3rd grade, and since then I've just been just a year or 2 younger than everybody else.
So you just a brilliant young man. That's what I'm probably making him nervous, like, don't be saying all of that. But anyway, I've been really, really honored to have you around this summer.
I'm honored to be here.
Yes, and to soak up some of your music. We're proud of you and what you're doing, and just an example to all the other, to my kids. I have 3 black boys and a daughter, and I just want them to see healthy examples of kids that are your age who are doing great and living for the kingdom of heaven.
Yes.
So I'm proud of you, and that's why I wanted to have Caleb on. So what we're doing today is, of course, talking a little bit about Caleb's music, his aspirations to be, Caleb told me, of course we told them that you came down here this summer. You really want to do what?
Music production, but I also would like to be a pediatric dentist. Yeah.
You see that, how he listed 2 things? So Caleb, the whole reason I do this channel, and as you guys know, is because my kids have food allergies, and so I'm always concerned, and I thought it would be cool because Caleb is like on the other side of where my kids will be going to college, and in the dorm you guys eat a lot of, I was asking Caleb, like, what are some of the things that you eat?
Ramen, Uncle Ben's microwave rice.
Oh wow.
Easy Mac.
Yeah, oh Easy Mac, I didn't even think about that. So the sad part of that for my kids is that all the things that he listed, and I bought, hold on a second. This stuff I used to eat. I used to eat this like every night, literally in the dorm when I went to, because I went to boarding academy for 2 years before college, and every night, more in boarding academy than college, I used to eat this every night. And this stuff is fattening and salty. I guess it is the noodles are fried. I gained like that freshman 15 right away. Did you gain weight like that?
No, I did.
No? So,
my friends did.
yes. So anyways, but my kids wouldn't be able to eat this because there's, it has milk ingredients, and it's manufactured in a facility that processes crustacean shellfish products. I mean, they would probably be blown up, and you know, all the stuff that comes along with having food allergies. So I was thinking, what can we make together that you do in the dorm, but how can we make it just a little bit healthier and safe if you have food allergies? So this episode is for you. If you have food allergies and you live in the dorm, we got you tonight, right, Caleb?
Yep.
Instead of the ones that are ready to go, you just have to do maybe just a little bit more work.
Just a tad.
So I opened this already, but I wanted to show you guys this brand of Chinese noodles. I'm holding it all carefully. It's falling out on me. This brand of sesame noodles only says that and you can probably find one that's rice. I don't know. I don't want to tell you too much because doing stuff in the microwave is tricky. So today we're gonna do everything we do in the microwave. All right. This says it contains wheat flour, water, salt, and calcium carbonate. So always check the ingredients. But this brand would work for my kids, and it's called, how do you think that's pronounced? Kame. Chinese noodles. And I am dropping them everywhere. So I think I paid like $3 for this, which is maybe, I don't know, is that doable for a college student?
It's doable.
It's doable. All right. So this is what the noodles look like. And you can break them up. This is bigger than would you eat this whole thing?
Probably.
So to me, this is bigger than the average size of this ramen, which is probably about, I don't know, you can eat it all though. But for the sake of this, so I took one of these and I broke it into, so I'll let you put your violin down. All right, so we've taken our kame, is that how you said it? Mm-hmm. Noodles, and we have placed them, we broke them in half, boom. So if you buy one of these, you could have 4 meals. Yeah, out of it. All right, so it doesn't have microwave instructions on the back, so we just made up our own, right, Caleb?
Yeah.
So what we're gonna do is put 2 cups of water in each of these. So I have 2 cups there. But before we do that, Caleb, we're trying to make this meal a healthier microwave meal. So tell them about our gourmet vegetables.
So we're gonna microwave these wonderful vegetables. So first you gotta poke the bag with a fork.
Boom, booyah!
All right, so we just took the vegetables out of the microwave. We put them in for 3, but I guess however long it takes for y'all.
Okay, so while Caleb chops the veggies to make them smaller for our noodles, you can use whatever ones you like. Like I was asking Caleb, you like mushrooms? He was like, no. You can pick whatever veggies you like, and even if you don't want to microwave them, you can even opt to put some fresh veggies in there that will be crunchy, but they'll be fresh, and that makes it even healthier, right? Mm-hmm. All right, so we've got our bowls of the noodles, the ramen noodles, Chinese noodles, and I put 2 cups of water, and you can put a little less water if you like it less soupy, but we're going for like a soup thing here. So our recipe will be 2 cups of water, and you want to pop it in the microwave for 5 minutes.
5 minutes.
We took it out of the microwave, and after 5 minutes, is it perfect?
Perfection.
Yay!
All these finely chopped veggies. We got broccoli, carrots, green beans, scallions for the vegetable side. And then for your protein, make this a full meal. You got the sesame ginger and the soya tofu baked tofu. Mrs. Dash, and this is the garlic and herb salt-free blend. So you can make this as salty or not salty as you like. Mm-hmm. Season to taste.
Yes, so you can add whichever vegetables you want right now. And
so we're adding the tofu right now.
Yummy. Oh, wow. That is beautiful. Now he's adding the scallions and whatever vegetables he likes. All these were in the bag, remember guys? Mm-hmm. Easy, easy, easy. 3 minutes in the microwave. Or you can do it less if you like your veggies on the crunchier side.
This is fine dining on a budget.
I love it. All right. Oh my goodness, that looks so good. That's a lot of noodles. Mm-hmm. Great, Caleb.
Thank you.
The only thing to do now is to give it a try. Tell us how it tastes.
All right. Here we go. Trying to get everything on the plate.
And if it's doable, I mean, you know, the packets are all, you can use the packets if you're not allergic, obviously. What's the verdict?
Good.
Is it good?